morning, children. A warm welcome to all of you. I am Ami ma'am and today I am going to teach you English. In previous sessions, you have learned blends and digraphs. Today, we are going to revise blends. When two letters blend together, they make one word. For example, this is letter C and this is letter R. When they both blend together, they form CR and the sound of CR is cr. Cr. Children, please repeat after me. Cr. Cr. Now, the first example. What is this picture? Yes, it is of crab. C-R-A-B, crab. Crab. Now, this picture is of crane. C-R-A-N-E, crane. Crane. This picture is of cross. C-R-O-S-S, cross. Cross. This picture is of crack. C-R-A-C-K, crack. Crack. This picture is of cry. C-R-Y, cry. Cry. So children, today we will do the oral revision and after that we will do the written revision of all the blends which you have learned in previous sessions. Blends. BL, CL, FL, GL, SL, BR, CR, DR, FR, GR. Children, let's do the oral revision of all the blends you have learnt till now. BL words and the sound of BL is bl. B-L-A-C-K, black. B-L-I-N-K, blink. B-L-O-W, blow. B-L-E-E-D, bleed. B-L-U-E, blue. CL words and the sound of CL is cl. C-L-O-W-N, clown. C-L-O-S-E, close. C-L-A-S-S, class. C-L-I-M-B, climb. C-L-O-C-K, clock. FL words and the sound of FL is fl. F-L-A-G, flag. F-L-Y, fly. F-L-A-M-E, flame. F-L-O-C-K, flock. F-L-O-O-R, floor. GL words and the sound of GL is gl. G-L-A-S-S, glass. G-L-I-D-E, glide. G-L-U-E, glue. G-L-O-B-E, globe. G-L-O-V-E, glove. SL words and the sound of SL is slur. S-L-E-E-P, sleep. S-L-I-D-E, slide. S-L-I-C-E, slice. S-L-O-P-E, slope. slant, slant. B are words and the sound of BR is br. BRICK, brick. BROWN, brown. BROOM, broom. BRUSH, brush. BRAIN, brain. C are words and the sound of CR is cr. CRAB, crab. CRY, cry. CRACK, crack. CROSS, cross. CRANE, crane. D are words and the sound of DR is dr. DROP, drop. DRINK, drink. DRUM, drum. DRILL, drill. DRAW, draw. F are words and the sound of FR is fr. FROG, frog. FROCK, frock. FRY, fry. FRAME, frame. FRILL, frill. G are words and the sound of GR is gr. GROUP, group. GROW, grow. GRASS, grass. GRAPES, grapes. GREEN, green. Now children, open your English notebook and we will write some blends which we have learned in previous sessions. Now let's write the date first. 1/7/17.2.21. Now we will write the title. Leave 4 finger space. Capital R E V I S I O N. Revision. Now let's draw 2 lines. 1, 2. Today we will do the written revision of blends. Children, please write along with me. The first word is blue. So we will write B L U E, blue. BLUE, blue. Next word, close. CLOSE, close. CLOSE, close. Third word, flag. FLAG, flag. Next word, glass. GLASS, glass. Now slant. SLANT, slant. SLANT, slant. Now next word, brain. B-R-A-I-N, brain. Next word, crab. C-R-A-B, crab. Now drum. D-R-U-M, drum. D-R-U-M, drum. Now frill. F-R-I-L-L, frill. Now grow. G-R-O-W, grow. G-R-O-W, grow. Now children, let's read all the blends once again. B-L-U-E, blue. C-L-O-S-E, close. F-L-A-G, flag. G-L-A-S-S, glass. S-L-A-N-T, slant. B-R-A-I-N, brain. C-R-A-B, crab. D-R-U-M, drum. F-R-I-L-L, frill. G-R-O-W, grow. Children, I hope you all have written very neatly. So children, in this way, you have to write all these blends in 1 and 2 columns in your English notebook. So children, see you in session 2. Bye-bye.